Hello guys, welcome back to my channel with another video. If you are new in my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for never miss any update. Or if you have already subscribed my channel, then please share this video with your friends. So let's get started. So today I am going to make a IoT project by which you can monitor the real-time temperature, pressure, altitude through your mobile phone. So never waste further time, let's get straight into the video. Here you can see I am using this NodeMCU board. You can also use the Arduino Uno or Arduino Mega board, but you need to use a Wi-Fi module for this board. So I will recommend to use this NodeMCU board for this IoT project. And here you can see this is the barometric sensor, which is the BMP180, and this sensor has 4 pins like VIN, then GND, then SCL, then SDA pin. And this NodeMCU has also the SD-SCL connection, like D1 is the SCL pin of this NodeMCU and this D2 pin is the SDA pin of this NodeMCU board. Now I am going to connect this sensor to this NodeMCU with some jumper pads. Here you can see I have completed the connection. Now let's go into my computer screen. Here I am using the Blink application for this IoT project. For if you don't have this Blink application installed in your mobile phone, then you need to please install this Blink application from Play Store. Just open it, and here you need to type this BLYNK Blink, and you need to install this Blink IoT application. So here you can see I have already installed this application, so I am just open this. If you using the first time the Blink application, then you need to sign up to the Blink application, or if you have already account to the Blink application, you just log in into your account. So here I am going to hit this new project option and create the project. So here I need to give the project name. So my project name is BMP180, and here you need to choose your board. So board is the NodeMCU in this project. So the connection type is Wi-Fi, it's correct. Now create. So here this Blink application sent a authentication token in your registered email ID. So press OK. Then here you need to press the plus button. So here you can see the lots of widgets over here. Here I am using the 4 widgets. So 4 gauges, sorry. So just here tap this one, and you can see the gauges will came over here. Now the same way I use these 4 gauges and resize this gauges position. And now here I tap this first gauge, and here you need to give the name. Here I give the name as a temperature. So here you can see the input section over here. Here is a pin option over here. So tap here, and here I am using the virtual pin. So here I am using this virtual pin V6. So just select the virtual and then select the V6 option and then press OK. So and here you need to I choose the text color as a red for this temperature, and now go back, and the same way I need to configure the all gauges. So here you can see my application is ready. Here you can see I have already written that code, And first you need to include all these header files. For include these header files, you need to go to tools, then you need to go to these manage libraries, and from here you need to download this all the header files. Now next, here you can see I have declared some variables, float variables like temperature, pressure, altitude, sea level, etc. Here you can see I declare some character array authentication, character array of authentication, character array of SSID, and character array of password. First you can see this authentication. This is a authentication token. This token has sent at the time when you create the Blink application on your mobile phone, so in your register mail ID. So here you can see the authentication token. So you need to copy this authentication token from your register mail ID, and then paste this authentication token to here. So I paste it. Now here you can see the SSID. Here SSID means the Wi-Fi name, your Wi-Fi name. Then this is the password. This is my password, Wi-Fi password. Then coming to this void setup part, here I start the serial connection by using this serial.begin function, and here I pass the baud rate of 115200. This is the baud rate for the NodeMCU board. And here I start the Wi-Fi connection by using this Wi-Fi.begin function, and here I pass this SSID and password value. And next, here just I print the connecting, and here you can see if the Wi-Fi is not connected properly, then it will show the waiting to connect the Wi-Fi. And then if the Wi-Fi is connected properly, then it will show the Wi-Fi is connected, and it will return the IP address of the NodeMCU board. And then here you can see I start the Blink by using this blink.begin function, and here I pass this authentication, SSID, and password. So now so here you can see the if bmp.begin is not working properly, then it will give a error, and it will print that could not find the BMP085 sensor, and it will show the checking varying. So this thing will print over the serial monitor if your connection is not proper. So now coming to this void loop section, here you can see I start the Blink by using this blink.run function. Now here I collect the temperature value in this temp variable which I have declared in the earlier part of this code, and here same way I read the pressure value by using this bmp.read pressure function, and I transfer this value to this variable, pressure variable, and same way I declare I read all the values and transfer to these variables. So now here you can see this is the main things, that virtual write. Here I use the virtual pin of the Blink application, and here you can see the V6 is used for the temperature purpose. So you need to write when you create your Blink application, then you need to remember that you use the V6 for the temperature purpose. So you need to remember these things. So here I use the V7 for the pressure, and here I use this V8 for the sea level, and here I use the V9 for the altitude. You need to use this same sequence when you create your Blink IoT application for this project. So now here I just print the temperature value by just written serial.print temperature. In this way I also print the pressure value, and I also print the altitude value, and I also print the sea level value in my serial monitor. So now I am going to upload this code to my NodeMCU board. So if you like my explanation in this project, then please hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and I give this link of this code in my description box. And if you have any problem, then please put a comment in the comment section below. So here you can see the uploading is completed. Now let's see how it's work. Here you can see this project is working properly. This device is sending data over this Blink application. This Blink application has 4 gauges. First one is the temperature, then this one is the pressure, then sea level, then this is the altitude. right now is the temperature is 33 degrees Celsius and the pressure value is coming over here. These are the value of the sea level and this the value of the altitude. So if you like this video, then please like this video and share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any query, then put a comment in the comment section below. So thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.